Right now, this is Shem, where you get the name Shem from, which is one of Noah's sons. Now it means name. The word Shem means name. It also means put or there. Like when you would write your signature, you would that's your put, or you would sign there. You know, that's your signature, your name, Shem, right? But in this case, they use the word Shem also to mean give. Now, the word for one of the words for the word give in the Hebrew is also Nathan, which means give, or Nathan, which means to give or give. But in this case, they use this word Shem here for give, you know, for the word give. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of this real quick. So it says Shem or Waya Shem. Then you have the word La, which is, you know, the word La at the beginning of a word. You can see this is broken up. No, really it should be, if you look at it, if you want to really separate it, it's Wa Ya Shem La Ka. But then it's all one to one, because when you write the Hebrew, you know, it's a conjunction, you know, so you put it all together. So really it should be like Wa Ya Shem La Ka. Wa Ya Shem La Ka. Alright? The Wa is and, the Ya is he, the Shem is name, put, there, or give. The La at the beginning of any word, you know, when it's separate from the actual word, is to, and the word Ka at the end of a word is you or your. And through constant repetition, you'll learn this, you know. So once again, we have here the 26th verse is Yesha Yahweh Panyawa Al Yaka Wa Yashamlaka Shalom. Alright, now I didn't get the last word there. Alright, the word there is Shalom, which means peace, and you could, you know, also Shalom. You know, we say Shalom, some brothers say Shalom. Alright, so now that's the breakdown there. Alright, where is the beginning of it? Right here. So it's, once again, it's Yesha Yahweh Panyawa Al Yaka Wa Yashamlaka Shalom. Yah is he, Shah from the Hebrew word Nashah means to lift. Yahweh is he, Hawa to Yah is he, Hawa to be. Panyawa, Panya is face, Wa is he or his, Al Yaka, Al is unto, Ka is you or your. Wa Yashamlaka, Wa is and at the beginning of a word. Yah is he, Sham is name, put, there, in this case give. La is to, and Ka you or your, and then Shalom is peace. Alright, so now let's go back here. It says Yesha Yahweh Panyawa Al Yaka Wa Yasham Laka Shalom. Alright, Yesha Yahweh Pan Yahweh Al Yaka Wa Yasham Laka Shalom. Alright, so that's the whole prayer right there. Now I have here, this is you can see here this website. This is a Hebrew interlinear Bible for the Old Testament. I mean, you know, if you just get into the Hebrew, you know, I wouldn't suggest. I mean, if you want to go and check it out, you know, for yourself, you can do that. But if you don't know the Hebrew, then you're gonna get confused as to what, you know, what's what, because when you go here, let's go to the book of Numbers, the 6th chapter, where we were just reading that, and then we'll just go down to the 24th verse, which is right here, right? The way they break it down, see, they write it from left to right. Now the Hebrew's written, as you've seen over here, is written from right to left. That's why we're reading this way. But then the English is written from left to right. So now when you look at this here, they have the Hebrew backwards. They have Yabaraka, then they have Yahweh Wayashamarka, see? So they have it written from right to left, and then they break it down the bottom here. And then see, as you can see here is Yabaraka, they have he shall bless you, but they really don't break it down. You know, so you'll get confused unless you know. But I mean, for those of you brothers that's a little more advanced, you can use this as a reference, you know, and they go off on certain things, but you know, for the most part is on point on certain places. Then we go here to this Hebrew Bible, as you can see here, and this is the actual Hebrew. Because see, this one here is broken up, you know, you got to go verse by verse. So is this one is is not is kind of broken up because it's they break down the English with it too. But this one here and this website here, you can actually go to the actual verse and read it straight through. And that's what I wanted to do. I want to go here, go to the book of Numbers, Bamad Debar. That's the word Numbers, Bamad Debar. And then I go to the 6th verse. I mean, sorry, the 6th chapter, and I'm gonna scroll down to the 24th verse. And then that way, once you brothers get it, once you start learning the Hebrew, then you can go to stuff like this and you can just read it just for practice. Now I'm just reading for you brothers. It says Yabaraka Yahweh wa Yashamarka Ya'ar Yahweh Panyawa Alyaka wa Yakanka Yasha Yahweh Panyawa Alyaka wa Yashamlaka Shalom. Alright? And that's the breakdown or the anointing prayer that we do at the Passover. We do it on the Sabbath service. When we had the Sabbath service, we now you brothers can practice it. Doing the Sabbath service, weekly or bi-weekly or however your schedule is. That way you can learn it, and then that way you can start learning the Hebrew even more. All right. So pretty much, that's the breakdown of that particular those particular verses for that prayer. And in the future, Lord's will, we're gonna go over more words. We're gonna go over reading it, try to break it up a little bit. I know this is kind of tedious, but for those of you brothers that's really into it and really want to learn the Hebrew, then this is good, because you brothers can get into it, and then further, you can go into it further. All right. So with that, for now, we're gonna end it there, and I hope you brothers learn something. And to the next time, I say shalom.